Time now for a check of your north central Washington weather forecast. Boy, today's weather a lot like we have seen the last 4 or 5, maybe even 6 days around the Wenatchee Valley. Taking a look down at the valley from our Wenatchee Heights Sky-Fi tower camera. A lot of those low-hanging clouds. You can just see the bottoms of the Cascades. The rest obscured by a lot of that low cloud cover. We had a lot of fog this morning and that misty rain as well. And that is keeping our temperature down at least for the moment. But I'll tell you what, as we get into the upcoming weekend, warm and wet, we could see some small streams rising. Make sure that those storm drains are cleared of any debris, because we are going to see some running water by the time this weekend comes around. That goes for almost all of north central Washington, with temperatures into the 40s and rain in the forecast. And we'll get to that in a second. Today's high temperature, 36 degrees, 1 degree above 35. It's where we should be for this time of year. Our record 56, and that was set in 1992. We were at 32 this morning, so with those clouds, not a big warm up today. Our normal low temperature 25, and our record 4 degrees set in 2008. How about this? Another 12 hundredths of an inch of precipitation. We've been picking up quite a bit this month. We're now at 0.86 inches. That's since January 1st, and that means we are now above just slightly where we should be for moisture for this time of year. Sunrise 7:35, and the sun set this afternoon at 4:51. Taking a look at what we can expect for Friday, temperatures will be on the way up. A little slower roll for the warmer temperatures west of the Columbia Basin, but Ephrata and Moses Lake should both see 40 degrees tomorrow. Quincy, you'll be awfully close at 39, and then a lot of mid-30s from Wenatchee into Eniat. Chelan slightly warmer. Omak too at about 38 tomorrow. Leavenworth, your high temperature for Friday, right at 35 degrees. But as I mentioned, our temperatures going up. Tonight, we can expect widespread fog around our area. And boy, that encompasses almost all of north central Washington. We still will see some mountain snow showers. Could see about 4 to 6 inches. Stevens Pass, Snoqualmie Pass as well. By the time we get into Friday, here's that giant flow of moisture that's headed our way. Not so much during the day, but late in the afternoon and evening, look what we can expect. A 90% chance of the wet stuff. High temperatures in the mid-30s. We'll start off Saturday on the wet side as well. A 70% chance of rain. That should let up a little bit in the afternoon, and that'll allow us to climb into the upper 30s for Saturday. And we're still going up from there, getting you into Sunday. Another big storm headed our direction. But notice the southerly flow of air. That's going to bring the moisture in, but it's also going to bring those warmer temperatures. We're going to see highs into the low 40s to end our weekend, and it's going to be nice all over the western United States. For Monday, not as great a chance as rain. Cloudy skies, a 30% chance of the wet stuff. It will be very light rain if we see any, but look at that. High temperatures Monday into the mid-40s, so we will be well above normal as we kick off our next work week. And then on Tuesday, look at the size of this low pressure. It is gigantic, and that will continue to bring us clouds, about a 40% chance, mainly for morning showers on Tuesday. Going to stay on the warm side too, with highs Tuesday into those mid-40s. And as we get you into the end of our forecast on Wednesday, yeah, it is going to be a wet one. 70% chance of rain on Wednesday. It could last throughout the day. The good news is we're going to stay mild with high temperatures in the mid-40s. Taking a look at your 7-day forecast, 31 overnight tonight. Good chance for rain late tomorrow night, and on Saturday. We will see a little bit of a tick up in our temperature Saturday at 38, and then a big warm up as we get you into Sunday and the first part of next week, and then back to the rain showers Tuesday night and especially Wednesday. But we will stay mild with high temperatures in the mid-40s.